Hi guys, welcome to my New York City apartment. So the first room that you enter when coming into our apartment is our kitchen. And the one thing I love about this kitchen is kind of like the closed off feeling. I mean, surprisingly enough, watching all those home shows, I love the open concept. But since moving here, I'm definitely digging this closed kitchen theme they have going on. One thing I love is the open shelving, and one thing that I did over the weekend was reorganize everything. So one thing that I'm super proud of are these little dog snack label containers that I designed on my Cricut. So one thing I've been into was crafting, so I think that looks super cute. And I'm also digging all this underlighting. I feel like it adds like a really warm touch to the room. And lastly, I really love the really high-end appliances that this apartment comes with. So one of my favorite things is this Sub-Zero fridge, and I love that it has like a open glass window that you can look directly into your fridge. So I thought that was like super cool. And that's about it. I mean, I think compared to our Jersey City apartment, I think this is a little bit more closed off. And our Jersey City apartment was definitely a lot bigger. So I think having that space was nice, but I mean, it's not bad. All right, next we're gonna go directly to this closet. So this is probably one of the main storage in our whole apartment. And so we kind of stuffed everything in. So it's gonna look a little bit messy. So as you can tell, we have a lot of jackets, but interestingly enough, only 3 of them are my husband's, so I think I definitely have enough jackets to last a lifetime. And yeah, that's basically it. This is our little storage area. You have all my bags here, and I mean, it's functional, and it's definitely a lot bigger than our Jersey City apartment. But also this is the only storage area that we have in this whole house. So as we make our way down our very long hallway, you are going to reach our bathroom, and I'm so excited to show you. So the one thing I love about this bathroom is it's actually quite spacious, but I also feel like it feels very spa-like. I like that it's very white, it's very inviting, and I love the marble detailing that they have on the floors. And also a bonus is this bathtub. I feel like it's very big. And one thing that we didn't have in our Jersey City apartment was a bathtub, and I didn't realize that I love it so much. So I'm just gonna show you here. It has this like amazing rain shower. It's like a very deep tub. So I would say I take a bath almost once a week now, and that's definitely a bonus since moving here. And I just love this bathroom. It's probably one of my favorite places in this whole apartment. So when we were kind of like looking for apartments to move into, one of our must-haves was a washer and dryer. I just never lived without one. And so I know it's definitely a luxury in New York City, but we managed to find an apartment that has it. So we feel very lucky to have that. All right, so next up on our tour is our office space and music room, I guess. So welcome. In our Jersey City apartment, this whole wall was open and it was all counter space. So we didn't need an office space, but since moving here and my husband's been working from home, we've had to put that in. So that's kind of his little corner there. And this is our piano. So I don't play, but my husband's been trying to teach me how to play Taylor Swift. So I'm a big Taylor Swift fan, so super excited, but I haven't really been practicing, so I kind of forgot it. And then if we look over here, this is actually one of my favorite like photographs. It's actually done by my father-in-law, and he gave it to me for my birthday. The one thing I love about it is actually a photograph and not a painting, but it looks like a painting. So I think that was super special that he gave that to me for my birthday. And then next up is the room that we use literally all the time, and we spend most of our days here and doing everything. So this is our living room. So as you can tell, it's like super cozy, and luckily all of our furniture fit from our old apartment. And here we have actually my journaling. So for my 2021 resolution, I want to journal more and be more mindful. And so I've actually started making my own like bullet journal. So as you can tell here, I mean, I just started designing my own pages and stuff, so that's been super exciting. So I do a lot of my crafting kind of in this space. And one more thing that I spend a lot of time here is working out. And since all of the gyms are closed and we can't really do much, I signed up for something called Obey Fitness. So it's kind of like this online fitness workout thing. And so this whole space here is literally where I gym, I craft, and I do all of my stuff. I want to show you this gorgeous view that we have. So we have a beautiful waterfront view. So if you want to look out here, we have buildings, but if you look down to the side, we have gorgeous views of the Hudson. So we're very lucky. If we look in this corner, we have this guitar. So I've actually been playing guitar since I was in grade 7 and grade 8. That's where I first learned. And funny enough, one of my very first YouTube videos was my very own song. So I don't really remember it, but I think it was something like, I mean, I'm pretty sure I deleted the video, but maybe you can find it. It's called Times Forever. All right, guys, the last stop on our New York City apartment tour is the bedroom, so come on in. Luckily, we've managed to fit all of our furniture in here from our old apartment. The only thing I would say is we couldn't get the 2 nightstands to fit side by side. So, I mean, that kind of sucks because I don't know, I'm a little OCD about that, but I mean, we've made it work. I would say the one downside about moving to New York City is, again, the lack of space. In our Jersey City apartment, we had a walk-in closet, and so we each had our own little section in there, which worked amazingly. But when we moved here, we've had to really purge and get rid of a lot of clothes that we had. And I mean, you'll see here, it's very small, and we've kind of had to like mix all our clothes together. So I mean, instead of having our own section, we have all the hanging clothes here, which is both mine and my husband's. And then over here, we have all the folded clothes. I mean, it works, but I mean, it's not ideal. Our building has a lot of great amenities, including a doorman and a rooftop lounge, but one of my favorites is free breakfast every morning from Monday to Friday. And I'm pretty sure one of Timothy's favorites is the dog park, which we go almost all the time. Alright guys, that's it for our New York City apartment tour, and I hope you liked that. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I can't wait to see you guys next week. Bye!